Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuz by Reggie, right? So I was trying to do this on a camera I just bought, right? And I don't know if y'all record content or anything, but once something messes up, it's like hard to get back into the rhythm of trying to get a video together, right? But I was trying to shoot this on my camera, but the camera it keeps saying battery exhausted. So it'll record for a second, then it'll cut off. And then I put a different battery in and then it just don't record. I don't know. Everything I've ever done on this channel and stuff has been with my phone. So we're learning it, right? But either way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you want. We was trying to hit the 10K mark before the year is out. I don't see that really happening right now, but I am still trying to get the giveaway together for the 10K giveaway. I'm trying to make it a decent one. At 5,000, I had a pretty decent giveaway, so we're trying to also put together a nice package for someone to win. And yes, I do multiple giveaways, a lot more on my Instagram, but the ones that I do on YouTube is only for subscribers, at least the ones that subscribe at the moment of the giveaway. So yes, it will be the same rules in effect of how I do my subscriber giveaway, but we'll talk about that, right? So let's try to do this video again. Today, we are doing the review of the Glaker trimmer and clipper set, right? This whole set is $69.99 on Amazon. When I was on their website, I didn't see if they had the set on their website, but I do think they have like a silver version of the clipper and the trimmer on the website. Now that's at the time that I looked. If it's anything different, I post it on the screen right now, right? So as far as the shipping time of this, they actually sent it to me. So, I mean, I'm guessing if you ordering from Amazon, if you never ever order from Amazon, you got Prime and all that stuff, you know it's not going to take a long time to get anything from Amazon. But they actually sent this to me from the day that they said they was going to send it to me to the day I got it. It's probably about 3 or 4 days. So take that into consideration, I guess. And as far as everything that's in here, like if y'all watch the unboxing, this has, first of all, it has a guard. It has all the guards up to an 11, which I did not get a chance to use. I was talking about in my unboxing that I need somebody with some long hair to come through and let me put that 11 to their scalp, right? I didn't get that. Come with the lubrication oil, full bottle, neck duster, comb. It has a cape that came along with it as well. It comes with all the guards from the half guard or the one guard. No, it has a half guard somewhere in here. And it has the 1.5. And it also has the angle left and right guards. I've never used these, right? In any other clippers that I've ever used, I've never used them, but that's what we'll talk about too. But I've never used them going around. But anyway, they have them if you want to use them. Which takes me to the fact that I think this is more of a home use clipper rather than a professional clipper or a set. You know what I'm saying? Because it has a whole set, and it comes with the charger, but it does not have a charger block, right? It comes with the cord, no block, but it is USB charger. And this is the design. I do like the black on it. I wish those would have been black too. Like that would have been hard, but not those because this don't have one. But you see what I'm talking about over here. But this is we'll talk about the clipper first. It got a 3-hour charge time to get you up to 5 hours of run time, which on the clipper. Now the trimmer, I really couldn't tell any difference, but this says it lasts up to 5 hours. I didn't really get a full 5-hour use, in my opinion. Now it could have. So sometimes you got things that's a continuous use, and sometimes things that's just not charging can die slowly at a certain amount of, rate or whatever. But I think that's what this was doing. But anyway, this is the design. Come with a fade blade, floating lever, not a click lever. And then of course your power button. Then it has the LCD screen here. Tells you when it needs oil. As you can see, I have been using it. This is after I got a full charge back to it and I started using it again, just trying to make sure that I can get a good use out of it. it starts to die off fast. And then once it get to about 13%, sometimes it won't cut on. You know what I mean? So I wish I could try it here. Maybe I'll get another video of it before I actually post it. But it'll cut on, but it's like a delay to really get the power to it. You get what I'm saying? So that's why another reason I think that even when it's not charging, it's losing a little bit of its power as well. The use is the main thing. So first of all, going through bulk is very decent. Like, and when I say very decent, it's not all around. You might get a someone with a thicker, greater hair that this is not gonna go through, and it's not gonna go through at all. Like it's gonna get, you know what I'm saying? Then let's say you got a like Hispanic with their straight, thick hair, it's gonna snag. So I did have a few times where when I'm trying to fade somebody's hair, it snags on the hair. You know what I mean? So that could be the motor not moving fast enough, or that just could be the blade that comes on it. Laying down her, it laid down her pretty decent. You get some clippers where if you lay down her, if you're trying to lay down her, it don't feed through the blade pretty well. So you running into the decisions of getting another clipper to get everything to lay down smooth, right? This did not have a problem with going with the grain of hair, especially if I had a waver in my seat. It didn't have a problem going through it, laid it down real smooth. If they had, you know, thinner hair, you know what I'm saying? Anyone with thick hair, this was not going through. It would get stuck. So as far as the use of it, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's cool, which I think this is more of a home use clipper. The pricing of it, the runtime of it, the accessories that it come with is good for the price. But as a professional, day in, day out, using this clipper all day long, I was able to use it a lot, but I was also having to use a secondary clipper with it as well. You get what I'm saying? There are some clippers that I can work with all day with it, you know, with that just one clipper. You know what I mean? So yeah, I don't know. And then we got the trimmer. The trimmer is nice, it's light, small, nice little T-blade here, which is good. The way it got the extra extended on there, so if you're going around the nose and stuff like that. This says it gets a 3-hour charge or 3 hours of runtime. So I didn't really have a problem with the runtime on the trimmer. So there's not much to say about that. I do like this little grip back here, right? You know what I mean? On the anyway. But as far as the use of it, fresh out the box, it was definitely not a go. You was not getting crisp lines. You were not getting anything that can lay down or get you a nice line, right? These was actually better though going through bulk than the clipper. These have been on my station more of use of taking down, like if I'm doing a ball fade or something like that. I have been using this to really get it a good use, because even after trying to zero gap it, it still wouldn't give me nice crisp lines. You get what I'm saying? And a lot of people say you don't need a zero gap it because you can go back over with the razor, which is true. But sometimes a lot of people don't like to use razor. A lot of people can't use razor. So especially on the beard line, people are just wanting a nice crisp line with the trimmer. This was not able to give me that desired effect of picture ready every time. You know what I'm saying? On kids, it's cool in the sense of because it's quiet, but you still not getting that crisp line when you lining people up. You know what I'm saying? So you take that. But again, going through bulk, taking down a ball fade, going across a bald head, it's pretty decent. It's not the best with a bald head because sometimes I did come back with the low pros. I'll show the footage of me taking a bald head with this, and then how smooth the low pros was from Bageless, right? So if you are a professional barber, and I hate to have not so good reviews of something that someone sent me, because sometimes it's like, oh, you sent it to me, so yay. But if you are a professional barber, you do not have to look to go this cheap for this whole set for the Glaker clipper and trimmer, right? If you are a at-home a mom who's cutting their kids' hair, or you are trying to cut your own hair, yeah, this will be fine. Especially if you keeping yourself tidied up. You might not need the crispy lines that barbers are trying to give out, but you are at home, mom, barber, this is it. This is work fine. Should you buy this? No, not as a barber. Do not even worry about it. This is a nice price product, but not worth it to, unless you just want to try something out. If you want to try something out, and because a lot of people, they'll be like, well, it looked just like this. And they are getting their stuff from here and here and here, right? And yes, based off of design, it's pretty much the same. But sometimes you'll get something that looks like something else, and it's something about it that just don't perform. Maybe it's mentally with me, maybe it's the blade, but either way, it's not getting the job done. All right, so yeah, should you worry about this? No. No. Hopefully I made sense. All right. Like I said, I was trying to, and I'm gonna try to get some footage from the camera as well, to try to offset it. But you know, once you, and I'm trying to, you know, make sure that I'm still giving out the information like I supposed to, right? I thought it had more information that I probably missed, right? But it don't. Excuse me. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. Dislike the videos if you want. Again, we're almost to that 10,000 mark. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. At least if you want to see what's in the giveaway. You know what I mean? And once I hit about 9,500, 9,600, I'll start putting out what may be in the giveaway, and then we'll work from there. All right? Peace.